If you're experiencing issues with Telegram not sending the verification code, don't worry, I've got you covered. There could be a few reasons why you might not be receiving your Telegram verification code. Here are several methods you can try to fix the issue. When you enter your mobile number during registration or login, Telegram checks if you have an active account on another device. If you're logged in to the same Telegram account on other devices, verify whether you've received the verification code there. This can be a common issue if you're trying to log in from a different device. If you don't have access to the account on any other device, you can request to receive the code via SMS. Sometimes there can be a slight delay in receiving the code. Give it a couple of minutes before trying again. If you're still not receiving the verification code, request Telegram to call you on your mobile number. Ensure that your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes updates can resolve issues. If the previous options don't work, ensure that your cellular signal strength is strong or use stable Wi-Fi. You can also reset your network settings and enable data roaming. If the issue still remains, disable the filter for unknown senders. If you are still unable to receive the code, try clearing the cache and data of the Telegram app. On iPhone, use the offload option, and on Android, use the clear data option. This action can help resolve any issues related to corrupted data. If none of the above works, try reinstalling the Telegram app and allow permissions. Make sure Telegram has all the necessary permissions to function properly on your phone. This might include permissions for SMS, calls, and notifications. Download and install another version of Telegram called Telegram X. The Telegram X app does have the option to receive codes via phone number. If you've tried all these steps and none of the above methods work, you can contact Telegram support for further assistance. They may be able to help you resolve the issue or provide additional guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Telegram not sending the verification code. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.